A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back again in online class. This is the video of your computer class, class 4, chapter 2, part 9. And the name of the chapter is GUI operating system, that means graphical user operating system. Okay, your chapter 2 completed. So if you have any type of doubt, please see the video from part 1 to part 8 and also discuss your doubt in Google Meet live class one by one. So today we complete the execute portion, that means exercise portion of chapter 2. So there are many questions and so many students have lot of confusion in that what is the correct answer for that. So I will make all these answer, right? So one by one match your answer. If you do your answer, then match it. If you not do, then do your answer correct. Okay? So starting from first, all of you open page number 25. The first question, choose the correct option. So basically the first question is the full form of GUI, and you all aware about the full form of GUI. So I also write here the correct answer only. Number 1 answer is graphical user interface. This is the correct option of question number 1. Now 2 number, which of the following is a function of operating system? That means in this question discuss about, take the correct answer was the function of operating system. So A number option, OS enable to create, manage files and folder to storing information on a computer efficiently. Yes, it is the function of operating system. So it is correct. Second, OS provide an environment in which hardware components are used in the best possible manner. Yes, it is also correct. C number, OS is responsible for executing various programs, whether use or system program. It is also correct. So here these 3 options are correct and you choose only one option. So D option is all the above. That means A, B, C all are correct. So tick on D, not A, B, C. Got it? If you have any doubt, then see the video part 3 in which we discuss about the function of operating system, and also read out page number 15 here, the function of operating system given. Got it? Now question number 3, which of the following is not a component of the taskbar? So see the figure of the taskbar. Start button is already available on the left side, left corner. Notification area already available on the right side. Task view button is also available on the middle, left of the middle. And wallpaper, no, this option is not available. So how to change wallpaper? You all know about. Click on empty space of the desktop, then personalize option. This is not the option of the task bar. So this is the correct answer, option number D, wallpaper. Got it? Now question number 4, what is the function of pick button on the taskbar? So you all know about that. What is the use of pick button? That means it lets search any type of file application. No, for search you can go through the search box, not pick button. B number, it minimize all the open window and display on the desktop. Yes, this is the correct answer. It is minimize all the window and display on the desktop. This is the function of pick button. I hope you have no any doubt. Okay, in this part. Now come to question number B. This is fill in the blanks. The smallest picture on the desktop which open the program when double click are called. So you know that what is that called? When you click on that type of thing, your file or folder will be opened. So this is called icons. Got it? Now 2 number, fill in the blanks. The fill in the blanks is responsible for executing various program, whether user or system program. So already this question is solved in objective question A, question number 2, in the function of operating system. So right here, operating system is responsible for that type of work. Got it? Third number, fill in the blanks on the task bar tells the status of certain program running on a computer. That means whose area is responsible on the task bar was see like that. That means certain programs running on a computer. So notification area. Option question number 3. The correct answer is notification area. Now fourth number. In GUI based operating system, everything is shown as a part of rectangular area and is called as window. It's already given with the help of definition that this area is called what? Rectangular area is window area. Okay, if you not know that, so come to page number 16. You see that here everything is so in the part of rectangular area are called window, already given in the bold letter. Now 5 number, the PC, that means personal computer, and where I write PC, that means personal computer, where I write OS, that means operating system. This is the shortcut abbreviation of that words. And recycle bin icon are present. Where it is present? That means it is present on the desktop. Simple. Okay, that means these icons are available on what is PC, and recycle bin are what? These are the icons, and these are present on the desktop. So option number desktop is the correct answer. Now C part is the answer of the following question. Here I not write here the question answer because I want to you tell me what is the correct answer for that question. Okay, on Monday when I take that class, you tell me the answer, and after that through your school WhatsApp number, these answers I will provided through the school WhatsApp number. Got it? So there are 4 questions. I want that all of you make answer by yourself. These are very easy questions. See that, C number, write any 2 function of operating system. So there are 5 functions are given on page number 15. So write any 2 function in your own language. You also have permit to write this function in your own language, not the book language. But you can also write the book language, but you write own language also. Meaning is clear. Second, what are the characteristics of GUI based operating system? I told 100 of times. These are what are the characteristics of graphical user interface operating system. So it will also that is given on page number 16. What is the use of notification area on the taskbar? Already discussed in the fill in the blanks question. What is the use of the notification area on the taskbar? So here also the given in just above of that page 26 where this question given in the fill in the blanks. Here the use of the notification area is already. Got it? 4 number, write any 2 functions that can be carried out using the task button on the task view button on the task bar. That means what is the use of task view button on the task bar? Mention any 2 functions. So these answers are given on the page. That means this function task view button, page number 19. Got it? So make it. Next, tick the correct and cross the wrong. First, OS is responsible for creation and deletion of files and folder and free space management. Yes, OS is responsible for that, not the general purpose application, and specific purpose applications are responsible. For this type of thing, OS is responsible for that type. So this is correct. Second, the notification area display the icon for program pinned on the taskbar. No, this is wrong. So notification area not display the icon on the pinned on the taskbar. it is displayed by the other icon. Got it? Third number, GUI based operating system let user to open and execute program by icons, button and menu. Yes, correct. In GUI, users are open with the help of icon, button and menu, not the writing code. Okay, writing code by CUI, character user interface, but GUI the icon, button and menus based. So this is also correct. Next, clicking the pick button minimize all open window and display the desktop. Yes, this is the function of pick button. It open all the window and display on the desktop. So you want the desktop. What type of application we are currently using? It can show by the help of pick button. Last, once set the wallpaper of the desktop cannot be changed. This is very easy. That means you not change the wallpaper of your computer. Yes, you can change. So this is wrong answer. Okay. Now, next puzzle. Crossword here given. So, a cross and down. So I tell the answer one by one. First number, the bar. Here it's given a clue, a bar. That means which type of bar? A bar that display the name of all the open window at the bottom of the desktop. Taskbar shows that this is the all this type of thing available on the taskbar, which is bottom at the desktop. Got it? Second number, a button on the taskbar that display a list of program when clicked. That means what type of application you want to open, a list of programs. There are so many types of programs. So you want to show the list of all program, you go through the start button. Got it? Third number, a button in the minimize area, that notification area that minimizes all the window and display on the desktop. Already discussed in the tick the correct statement and cross the wrong statement. That means it is the work of peek button. Fourth number, the first screen that appears on the monitor after the Windows operating system is loaded. So the first screen is Windows screen. So right here Windows. Got it? Next, 5 number, a popular operating system from Microsoft. So option number 4 is desktop answer. Option number 4 desktop. 5 number is Windows. A popular operating system from Microsoft. So write Windows, not window, Windows. Okay, because there are 7 boxes are given. Now 6 number, a type of interface that allow user to interact using the icon, button and menu. Already this is given on the tick the correct, the third number question. So the answer is GUI, graphical user interface. And the last, the small picture on the desktop is called icon. So you can see that these all questions are related to each other. That means the question which is in the fill in the blanks, it already given again given in the tick mark, and those type of question which given in the tick mark, it given in the puzzle. So use your brain. Okay, at the present time, use your brain. What is the correct answer? Judge it and find it. Okay, so a student, when I take that class, like the video is 15 minutes, so after complete 15 minutes, okay, not say in the comment section, sir please share the Google Meet link. No, your timing is 9:30 to 10:30 class time, and the video is 15 minutes. Listen very careful, 15 minutes. So when I uploaded the video at 9:30, in 15 minutes you see the video. At 9:45, when I give the example, when video is 15 minutes, when video is 12 minutes, is after 12 minutes, when video is 18 minutes, after 18 minutes. So see the time of video. like video 15 minutes, then I share the Google Meet link at 9:45, because in these 15 minutes you see the complete video. When I share the Google Meet link at that time, when I share the video also, so many students see the video and so many students not see the video. So there is a lot of confusion. So please join class on time and see the complete video, match it, and also learn all these things. In Google Meet, you learn all these things and think about all these type of questions and discuss with me, sir, how this answer correct and how this answer wrong, and also you can responsible to say the answer, sir, this is the correct option. Got it? So thank you, student. We will meet in the next part. Thank you. Goodbye.